To all my friends out there with allergies, I love you guys so much. In fact, I would kill for you. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We are going to rip up some ragweed and get those suckers burned. Burn! Although ragweed is native to the US, it's incredibly invasive in other countries because it is so aggressive the way it grows. And on this hillside where I'm trying to establish other native pollinator-friendly flowers and stuff, it is taken over, shading them out, and just being a nuisance. There is tons of this stuff around here, so I am going to give it the invasive species treatment to get rid of some of it and cut down the population so that other things can grow and thrive in this area. Not to mention that it makes my spouse sneeze, and I don't like that. Ragweed has teeny tiny flowers. It does not rely on insects to pollinate it. It is a wind-pollinated plant, so it puts out a ton of pollen and lets the wind carry it around, which is why it's such a problem for folks with allergies. They also bloom at the same time as goldenrod, so a lot of times goldenrod takes the blame, but it is the ragweed that is responsible. The seeds and the young leaves are actually edible. However, at this stage, they are tough and unpleasant. When you're ripping up invasive species, ideally you always want to get the root as well as the entire plant. And after that, you can do a couple different things with them. If they don't have any seeds and they don't spread easily by roots, you can toss them in the compost pile to decompose. Otherwise, you got two options. Bag them into the trash, into the dump, into the landfill, or my favorite option, burn them. Get as much soil off the root ball as possible before tossing it in the fire. This will keep your fire nice and hot. And of course, be sure you practice fire safety, kids. Make sure you check with your local fire department. Make sure there's no burn bans in effect. Have water and a fire extinguisher handy, and do it in a contained area. By getting rid of this overabundance of aggressive plants, I am making room for other native species to really thrive and take over that hillside. If you are interested in how to use wild plants for food, medicine, crafts, or how to improve the environment in your surrounding area, I wrote you a book. It's called Eco-Punk Foraging, How to Use Wild Plants for Food, Medicine, and Crafts by Melanie Weird. That's me. Hey, it's available on Amazon. Go check it out.